On a remote island in the Galápagos, a small bird hops along the rocky ground. It looks harmless, just another finch, like Darwin once studied. But this is no ordinary bird. Meet the vampire finch, a blood-drinking bird with a taste for survival. When food is scarce, it targets bigger birds like boobies. It pecks at their skin until blood flows. And then it drinks. The host bird barely reacts, perhaps used to the sting. This gruesome habit helps the vampire finch survive drought and famine. It's not a monster, just nature's way of rewriting the rules. The vampire finch. Small, strange, and dangerously clever.